Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a veteran, Navy veteran, Mike. Give me your last name.
Tassinari.
There you go. There it is. And this is his shop. He opened up the doors for us. He let us use his shop. And Mike, what'd you think?
That was a great experience. I play in the band, and we've been raising money for this kind of stuff, and this is the first time I actually got to see it in action. I think it's a great thing. I was super impressed. I thought everybody did a great job. It was great seeing everybody smiling, all the accomplishments everybody made over this weekend, and I just felt honored to be a part of it. And I'd love to be able to do it again.
And what did you build?
So
Still working on that, aren't you?
Yep. I'm still working on it. But I built this really cool looking Telecaster. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Had no idea what I was doing, but the instructions, everything here helped me pull this off, and really happy with the way it looks. And I can't wait to get it finished and play it.
So tell me something, Mike. We're both male veterans. You get to hang out with the women veterans, and they really opened up. And knowing that you're the owner of the shop, I think that's one reason they let their guard down a lot.
Yep.
What's your impression of what they're going through, what they've gone through? You've heard their stories.
I mean, it's a whole nother level, right? I mean, the military is not an easy life as it is. You know what I mean? You're away from family, you're away from home, your loved ones and everything. And then, some of the stuff that these women have to deal with, in addition to that, my hat's off to them. I mean, they deserve a lot of praise for all the stuff that they do and the things they have to go through. And I appreciate very much, everything they've done for us.
Yeah, that's great. And listen, man, thanks again. I know
You
we're
guys,
gonna.
I enjoyed this. This is great.
Yeah, I want to see what the final product's gonna look like. But,
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Really excited.
And oh yeah, he turned his neck. He took a lefty neck. He wants to do something a little different. Anything in the back of the guitar?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
At least, but yeah, I got my Navy rating symbol, which is no more.
Yeah.
But yeah, super happy with this.
All right, brother. Well, listen, man. Thanks again for opening up the doors.
Thank you for letting me be part of this.
You bet. Take care.
Thanks, Steve.